Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Word on any Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop or desktop in 2026. By the end of this guide, you will have Microsoft Word fully installed and ready to use on your computer. In this tutorial, we will use official Microsoft tools only. This means the process is safe, clean, and reliable. There are no risky downloads and no unknown websites involved. Just follow each step carefully and you will be able to install Word without any problems. Make sure you watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps a lot. Now let's begin. The first step is to make sure that any older version of Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word is removed from your computer. Having multiple Office versions installed at the same time can sometimes cause installation errors. Open Settings on your computer. Next, go to Apps and then click Installed Apps. You will see a list of all the programs installed on your system. Scroll through the list and look for Microsoft Office or Microsoft Word. If you find an older version, click on it and select Uninstall. And remove it completely from your system. Next, we will create a folder in our C drive. This will help to keep things organized. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Now create a new folder. Rename it as Word or anything you like. Once that's done, we are ready to download tools needed to install Microsoft Word. First, open your web browser. Go to your search bar and search for Office Deployment Tool. Open the first result. This is another official Microsoft page that allows us to customize the Office installation. In simple terms, it lets us choose provided by Microsoft and allows us to install Office applications. The first thing you need to choose is the architecture of your computer. Choose your language and download the tool. 32-bit and 64-bit. It's a small file and downloads quickly. If you are not sure which one your computer uses, here's an easy way to check. Open the Start menu. After the download finishes, open a new tab in your browser and search for Office Customization Tool. Inside the window, look for System Type. This will tell you whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. For example, if it shows x64-based PC, that means your system is 64-bit. After checking, go back to the Office Customization Tool page and select the correct architecture. Next, in the Office Suite section, and select Office Professional Plus 2024. Now scroll down to the list of applications. By default, many Office apps may be selected. Since we only want to install Microsoft Word, deselect the other applications and leave Word selected. This will make the installation smaller and faster because only Word will be installed. Next, go to the Language section and choose the language you want for Microsoft Word. After that, scroll down to the last section and click on it. Now scroll again and click Finish. You'll now see an export option. Click on it. Choose Office Open XML formats, accept the agreement. Leave the file name as it is, and click Export again. This will download the second file that we need for the installation. Now we need to organize the files. Open your Downloads folder and you will see the two files you just downloaded. Select both files and copy them. Next, open your C drive. Open folder we created earlier and paste the files inside it. Make sure that the configuration file is named same as mine. After that, run the setup file. Accept the agreement and continue. The tool will ask where you want to extract the files. Select the same Word folder that we created in the C drive. The tool will now extract the necessary installation files into that folder. Once the extraction process is finished, we are ready for the final step. Open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt. Choose Run as Administrator. Here type CD, then add a space. Now go back to the Word folder. Click on the address bar at the top and copy the folder path. Return to the Command Prompt window. Paste the folder path you copied, then press Enter. This command moves the command prompt into that folder. Next, type the command to start the installation. And press Enter. Microsoft Word will now begin installing on your computer. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so just wait until the installation finishes. Once the installation is complete, close the Setup window. Now go to your Start menu. Here look for Microsoft Word and open it. After opening it, if you see any activation error or your Word is not working, then you can activate it from Office Product Key. I have showed a free method, but YouTube removed that video from my channel, so I cannot show you here. If I do it again, YouTube will remove my channel. As I get any method to share that with you, I will update you in pinned comment. I have applied that and you can see my Office is working properly. And that's it. You have successfully installed Microsoft Word on your computer. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy and useful tech guides. Also feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments section.